Hi, I'm Pirkko and I'm coming from Jyväskylä, Finland. I'm a teacher in a primary school and I have been taking part of this workshop now for 3 days. And for me the most important thing is to exercise English, to meet teachers from other countries and refresh the things about memory and learning, because we have been studying them in university in Finnish teacher education system, but it has been for some years now I have not been thinking of them regularly. It was good to refresh it. And otherwise it was nice to talk about pedagogics, see Portugal. I've never been here before. This is my first time, so I have had many nice experiences. Thank you.